Hello, hello. Yeah, hi Viren. So it's now 6:59. Okay, before that, am I audible? Okay, cool. So let's wait for just 5 minutes. Now it's dot seven. Wait for 5 minutes whether people are joining or not. Then we will start. Okay, just wait for 5 minutes. So just a question to you, both of you. So are you getting benefited from my Telegram channel or after this discussion, at the end of this discussion, share your feedback that what are the areas where I need to focus on, where I need to give more attention. Okay. And just first question whether you are getting benefited or not. Fine. Yeah, hi Saurav. Yeah, Saurav. Okay, so it's 7:02. Yeah, hi Dhiren. So let's start. Okay. So first, let me give you the overall basic that what has changed. Okay, before that, just one question. Hindi में बोलूं या in English? Just write that one. Hindi or English, whichever you are comfortable. I will start in that. English. Okay. Okay. So maximum of you is telling in English. Okay, let's start. So first of all, good evening. Good evening to all of you. So first analyze that what has happened in last 1 week, and with respect to my video on Bank Nifty, that 30,200 level and below 29,500 sorry 28,500 level or 28,800 level, that's level. So what has changed? First of all is that market is at the high, right? It is sustaining above 13,000. One. Second thing is that whether this market bullish or not. So by the definition or by the experience, if the market is bullish, then maximum of the sector and mid cap should uh, be a part of this overall bull run. That is the one of the concept. So if you compare this scenario with the scenario of last year, December to January, February, you can check in chart. Definitely, I am giving you that task, as I said you that every time you have to judge to whomever you are listening. Okay, till the time you are not convinced, don't follow him. So first analyze the chart. Currently, each and every sector is having the contribution in the Nifty run or the market run. But in the month of last December to Jan or Feb, it was the movement only coming from the Reliance, HDFC Bank or the large cap. So it's like there is a disparity. Some leaders are just were performing, but the actual thing or actual underground thing was missing. So it was not able to a part in the bull run, in the not the bull run, in a bull market last phase, or you can say in the when the hyper thing is there. So now the scenario is changing. One, second, there are some of the scenarios or there are some of the symptoms which actually give you the comfortness that yes, this is not a bad market. So let me discuss those points. First point, Indigo is starting to get back all his employees from January without any salary cutting. So what does it give you the information? That Indigo is able to see a picture that their business will run. One. Second, they may not be able to see any kind of recession or anything, so that they are able to hire all the employees. So that is one symptom. Reliance, what Reliance did in just in the last quarter result, that they are now giving the full salary to all the employees. They are able to give the special bonus as a part of not salary hike in the time of corona. So Reliance is catering into digital business, retail business and petrochemical. So he is able to see that there is a change of sentiment. So Reliance is bullish. That is the reason they are giving the salary hikes. Which company has started this phenomena? TCS has started with the new salary structure. And there are other companies which are also following this. So as you know, the cash is coming out from the company to the employees and more money is coming to the people or the employee, or you can say the Indian or the consumer. So they are going to able to spend some of the money. So if money is spending, that means whatever the GDP, what you can say, gross domestic product, so consumption of gross domestic product is going to high, because people are having the spending power. So this is giving you that yes, there is a demand of buying and selling. Two, third point is that the banks and the RBI in the last Thursday sorry, last Friday, RBI meet. So they are saying, as per they are saying, is that now banking sector is reviving. Okay, banking sector reviving means was how bank is performing the business. He is able to get the money from the RBI at a at a certain rate, repo rate, and based on the reverse repo rate, it is going to pay the amount to RBI. And whatever money is getting from RBI, he is actually running that as a part of their loan business. They are able to give loan to the corporate, consumer and all the other where the finance is required. And biggest consumption or biggest demand is coming from the housing sector. So just 1 or 2 month back in my mentorship program also, I have given some input on HDFC, PNB Housing Finance and LIC Housing Finance. And you, as you can see, LIC Housing Finance is now at 360. Yeah, on Friday it went to 362, and then now it is 345, 48 or 49. HDFC also has given a fantastic run from 2000 to 2300. PNB Housing from 262 to 330 or 340. So, and there is a one another company which has given run previously, but now it is have in the phase of correction. That is Canfin Home. So it is also catering into the housing finance. Now housing demand, why housing demand is coming? Because of this corona, because of this ILA and all this storm what has been happened. So, and because of the election is coming in maximum of the state, so they are now into the phase of giving more attention to the people, so that they will be able to get the votes. Okay, And another sector is that the insurance sector, that is coming out to be a great sector in terms of insurance, because after this corona, people are more attached with the health insurance. Because when I discussed with my friends, when I just discussed with my friends who are working in the insurance sector or in the banks, or with my parents, they are actually able to see that traction, that yes, people are spending some of the amount or some of the money into the health insurance part. And they are now having the health insurance business is growing. Another part, so as a part of bull market, always banks and that auto sector has to be in the picture. So because of corona, people is now avoiding the journey over bus, or where more people are trying, more people are traveling, so they are actually trying to consume the two wheelers or four wheelers. So in four wheelers and two wheelers, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, and TVS Motor. I really love TVS Motor, because Hero Honda, although their business is very good, but in terms of the price, if you are having the capital is very less, then it is very tough to allocate your money to Hero Honda or Bajaj, because the price is already more than 3,000 rupees. So if you try to buy in crunch, then it's a problem. You can't buy in installment, right? Because if you are having 50,000 amount, then you are having the ability to buy only in 16 installment, by only one quantity. But if you are moving into TVS Motor, then you can manage your capital in a very efficient way. So now auto is contributing. If auto is contributing, that auto ancillary, that means those companies which are making the part of autos. So that is the reason 1 month back I given you a call of Subros. So it is performing extremely well. We bought at 282, it went to 340, then coming to 290, then again I entered, and now probably it is 321 or 323. So all these sectors are moving. So now it is giving me the confidence, yes, I should put my money. And as you know, I am a positional trader, I am not doing the intraday, although currently I am learning the that what it can say, I'm forgetting the term. uh, that means that in the quick trading, scalping, what I currently doing the practice on that. So it is actually giving a very good return. So your stop loss is very low, and you are actually trying to play with the 5 or maximum 10 minutes momentum. So it's a good thing, new thing I am learning. I am extremely thankful to one person from my Telegram group. He is actually giving me an excellent knowledge. So I am actually currently combining that with my technical knowledge in terms of option selling. So it is going to give me a good confidence in future, and I will be sharing that in all my mentoring session from January. So currently my working is going on that front. What are the new things I can give, what are the things I can uh, share with them. So that's the overall perspective from a broader market. Now in terms of the action, what we are going to do in the next series. So in terms of option selling in bank nifty, so definitely as it is trying to break 3000 30,200, because it was there in the range of 28,800 to 29,500 for 2 to 3 days. Yes, for 2 to 3 days, and it was creating a base part. So after that, it has given a breakout on the day of Friday after the RBI announcement came. So now the traction is on the upside. So what I have learned from Mr. Mitesh Patel, Mr. Good Trip, from Mr. Good Traders, Mr. Manu Bhatia, and all of these people, always be directional. Okay, so now the direction is up. So definitely, what I am going to do, I am going to sell 28 put below 28,500. I am going to sell on Monday. Definitely, all the things will be taken care after seeing the price action, how it is moving, how I can take my position, and how I can hedge. Okay, so that is the one part from the bank nifty. So I will do the selling of PEs, and if it is going to break 30,200, then definitely I will be in a mood of buying option one in terms. So this is the part from bank nifty. Now coming to the nifty, definitely if nifty is going to give a close below 12,850, then it's a cautious sign for us. We should book profit from our portfolio. If not, then it's okay. And as per me, that market never gives you easy money, and currently market gives you the easy money. So based on my experience, it will give a sudden fall also, बिकॉज जितना आपको देगा ना इजी मनी, 10 रुपए भी देगा तो वो आपसे 20 रुपए लेके जाएगा. Be sure about that. So that is apart from Nifty. I will love to play some of the contra bet. So where the new what I can say, what new interest, new smart money is coming into the picture. That is one, Graphite India and HEG. Why? Because after this Corona effect, and lot of auto dealers are having great sales volume. So now the more push from the government, from the global area, is that to moving into the electric vehicles part. So if you are moving into the electric vehicles part, then the essential thing is the lithium ion battery. So for that you need to have the graphite, you need to have carbon, and you need to have some granite and all those things. So there are very few companies which are actually doing the business in that part, so they are going to give us an excellent result. So you can write down the names. One is the Graphite India, HEG, Philips Carbon, Goa Carbon. As you know, just last week I have traded at 260, so it's a excellent buying point with a stop loss of 240. So these are the new ideas what I am just sharing here, and to get the levels, when to enter, how to position size. For that I have my another mentoring group, or where I actually guide them how to build your position and how to trade. So that's the part from my side. So it's been 15 minutes. I think it's continuously I am just talking. So maybe it's not good to you all. So that's all from my side as a broader perspective. And based on that, you can check the chart. Try to be convinced whether I am giving the right concept or not, whether it is whether I am giving the value of your time, and then accordingly you can plan your trade. So that's all from my side. Now you can ask your question or queries. So I am not comfortable, or I am not the right person to give you answer on intraday. So if you have any question on intraday, then I am not the right person. So now you can ask your question. Yeah, so going forward, only in YouTube I will be sharing my knowledge. So this is the question from Dhirendra Singh, that as you mentioned, just 1 minute, let me complete. As you mentioned in group about logic, how you will be sharing knowledge with us. So the answer is, going forward via YouTube, I will be sharing whatever the little things I know. So no, not in Telegram now. Just Telegram, I will be sharing the ideas. And now actually I have changed my mind. I have to think like a businessman, because when I have the mentality to serve people, to educate people, the retailers, what problem I have faced, and when I was surfing in entire internet, I just know that I was doing something wrong. So there is no when I am doing a thing where you are also able to earn, then there should be a mentality of like a businessman, not as a charity. और ये एक बात है ना, मतलब some thoughts I received from my friends say, देखो भाई, charity से पेट नहीं भरता. When you are allocating some amount of time, when you are allocating some amount of your effort, that should be rewarded. Thanks से पेट नहीं चलता. So that is the reason. So going forward, all the things I will be sharing over YouTube, and every day I will try to upload a video on how to analyze the chart for the next day. So market outlook I will be sharing. So now the question is, Spot Shiny, thanks dear. In short time you have enlarged my thinking for positional trades. Thank you very much. Rahul Jain, in my opinion, crude oil will rise substantially from here. Which stock will benefit from, apart from ONGC, OIL? See, what question you are asking? Crude oil will rise. So ONGC and OIL, I consider them as a dead stock. Okay, one. Second thing is that definitely there will be a traction of BPCL, HPCL, and the thing is that IOCL. Now you have to think is that always technical will never give you that kind of comfort level in terms of investing the money, because when the you have to attach your common sense with the technical. Now, if crude oil will rise, so you are saying crude oil will rise. That means you are saying crude oil price will rise, or crude oil demand will rise. What you are actually saying? Rahul, can you please just clear the question? See, think the basic. If crude oil is going to rise, then the entire economy will face in terms of higher in price. That means the inflation will go high. Why? Crude oil is the main thing for paint sector, okay, and the petrochemical sector. And as you know, in petrochemical, all the companies is giving you a tremendous run, like Balaji Amines, Sudarshan Chemicals, all this. So they are now actually getting the value of their inventory. They have some crude oil in their inventory, and now as the crude oil price is rising, they are actually able to sell the price as much higher rate. But if crude oil will rise, then the input cost of these companies will rise. So there will be only two way to earn money. One, reach the revenue by maximum, which is much difficult, and increase the revenue by rising the cost of the selling price. So, and as you know, I never look at this basic on crude oil rise or vagera vagera. My, for me, the only thing is that the chart, what chart or what stock is giving me my setup and my confidence, I will put my money. पिछले 12 सालों में मैंने ये देख लिया है कि वे क्या बोलते हैं इसको, क्रूड ऑयल का प्राइस बढ़े या कमे क्या फर्क पड़ता है। रिलायंस तो अभी भी पिछले मतलब 5 गुना तो रिटर्न आपको दे ही दिया ना लास्ट 5 सालों में। जब जीरो भी आ गया था क्रूड ऑयल, तब भी रिलायंस वाज रॉकिंग बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स रिलायंस जियो एंड रिटेल। बट देयर आर सम कंपनीज, आईओसी, बीपीसीएल, ओएनजीसी ऑयल, उन लोगों का एम्प्लॉयज लोगों का ही पॉकेट भरता है। जो सब लोग है, द पीपल, दे आर नेवर गेटिंग द एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ देयर पुटिंग मनी। So is it clear, Rahul? So let me clear one by one. Hi Rahul, am I clear? Okay, Viren, is there anything related between technical chart and fundamental of company? Absolutely. I am telling you, absolutely. Whenever you are able to analyze a chart as per your knowledge, after that definitely you have to go to the fundamentals of a company. At least try to check 3 points what I am generally looking into. First is that the asset, net asset, whether it is positive or negative. One. Second thing is that the, sorry, second thing is the cash reserve. You have to search, because there are certain companies, I am telling you. Let me give you an example. Lambodhara Textile. So it was in the year of 2000, 2014, 2016, yeah, in the year of 2014 or 15, the stock price was went high to 930, and it was just a move of every day 30-40 rupees. Okay, so my roommate was telling me that, Abhishek, you can check the Lambodra Textile, because one of my friend's friend, that means my roommate's friend, he is actually trying to trade in this stock, and every day he is getting 50-60 rupees from this stock. Then I analyzed the chart and moved into the balance sheet. So I saw that the cash reserve was almost nil, net asset was negative. That means if the company is going to bankrupt, then he is nothing to sell to pay the money. And after that, that stock within 3 or 4 months, that came down from 930 to 26 rupees. You can check, so don't worry, you can check whatever I am telling, please verify. Like DHFL, the business was excellent, but chart was telling you the actual truth. So you can check, the date is 23rd of September 2018, 21st September or 23rd September. I am giving you the date. You can check in DHFL. Yes Bank. Yes Bank, chart was excellent, but fundamentals was wrong. What was the wrong in fundamentals? That Rana Kapoor is signing all the deals. Whatever the loan to the corporate more than 25,000 crore or more than 5,000 crore, always Rana Kapoor is giving the sign. So whenever you are looking into chart, you have to look the fundamental also. Never go by the chart, at least for the mid cap. And whenever we are looking into the chart, definitely we will try to get some more return. So we have to be into the mid cap segment. So when you are looking into mid cap, definitely you have to check the fundamental. Saurav, sir, please suggest any book on volume profile. Okay, Saurav, can you just drop me an email, because I have to check from my what we can say, Google Drive. From Google Drive, I have to check, because I don't remember all those things. I have read many books, so I don't have the name of the books. Uh, Dinesh Kumar, thanks for sharing information and allocating your time to us. Swarshini, you have given your view on Tata, Bajaj, and TVS. Yes, I have given my view. How about Maruti? See, if you in Maruti, I love to play the trading for 1 week of time view because it is giving you the movement of 100 to 200 rupees. But the only problem is that as if you are a small retail trader or your capital is more less than 10 lakhs, or I can say more than less than 3 lakhs, then it's tough to allocate some money because एक stock का दाम है 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. And अगर आप दो stock किनते हो तो आपका 14,000 रुपए गया, and a fall of 100 or 200 rupees your capital will be minus 400. So क्या होता है ना, आंखों को चुभता है अगर वो नेगेटिव में जाता है तो. But it better to be in टाटा मोटर्स, एक्सीलेंट वन, एक्सीलेंट टर्न अराउंड स्टोरी. एंड बजाज, बजाज क्या है बोलो तो मतलब बजाज को अच्छा लगता था लेकिन अब अभी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है बिकॉज बजाज इज लाइक ऑल द मैनेजमेंट इज ऑलवेज कमेंटिंग ऑन व्हाट पॉलिटिकल इन इशू, but they are not focusing on work. But Tata, TVS, they are more focused on their work. So I love to be with Tata, Mahindra, and TVS. Rahul Jain, oh price. That was for the crude oil. Dinesh Kumar, in Telegram group, can we get inputs about positional option buying? I am not the right person for option buying. Even, and the thing is that in option buying also, whatever little knowledge I have, maximum option buying you can do for maximum 2 days. Maximum. If you are buying today, you have to close your position by tomorrow, because in option buying the time decay will kill you. And if they are and see, the stock market is all about the probability. In option buying, let me clear this concept why option selling is give you more comfortness in terms of the return. In option buying, probabilities are against you because there is a time decay there. If the market is sideways, then you will lose. If market is uh, against of your trend, then you will lose. You will only win in one option, in one criteria. That means if your timing is good along with the stock movement is there, otherwise you will not make money, right? In case of option selling, time decay is with you. Side, if it is sideways market, then it is a good for you. And another thing is that if the market is just going against it of your trend, then also you will make money and you will make first money. So the probability in option buying is very less. So I am not the right person to guide you in option buying, although I am learning. But I have to give much more time before sharing it with you, because what I am saying you मैं लाइफ में भी देखा हूँ, इंसान का कर्ज बहुत जल्दी लग जाता है. I want to be a part of your blessing, not a part of your curse. So मेरे को बेस्ट चार्ट जो लगता है, I am sharing one or two of them with you all, so that आपका पैसा कम से कम लॉस ना हो. ऐसा ना हो कि दिन के खत्म होने के बाद आप बुला रहे यार कोई अभिषेक है मेरा पैसा ही डुबा दिया. क्योंकि याद रखना, इन इंडिया नेवर टॉक in to matter with anyone. One is the spiritual way, that means the किसी के जात पात या धर्म को लेके बात मत करो, और किसी को पैसे को लेके मतलब छेड़खानी मत करो. अगर ये करोगे ना तो आप पक्का पिटोगे. तो इसलिए वट एवर आई एम ट्राइंग टू शेयर, माई ओनली इंटेंशन इज यू एटलीस्ट मेक मनी. मतलब कैपिटल प्रोटेक्शन तो रहना चाहिए एटलीस्ट. ऐसा ना हो कि दिन के खत्म होने के बाद बोलोगे कि यहाँ पर आने से मेरा पैसा गया. So I am not trying to be the person to guide you on option buying or positional option buying. मतलब कान पकड़ता हूँ, नहीं होगा मेरे से. ऑप्शन बाइंग एक दिन या मैक्सिमम नेक्स्ट डे. धीरेन्द्र सिंह, कैन यू गाइड इफ आई हैव टू स्टार्ट आइडेंटिफाई गुड शेयर, हाउ टू स्टार्ट? See, this is an excellent question, and even this question came when I also started my journey. There is no end of good share. Every share is good, every share. Now let me explain you. Just write any five stocks name. Just write. Then I am giving you one task. Write any five stocks here. Whatever name is coming into your mind. Any. Just five stocks. तब तक वीरेन जारू, thank you. It was nice explanation. Thank you very much for appreciating me. Thank you. Anyone having any other question, you can ask till the time Virendra is Ashok Leyland, TCS, Maruti, HUL, Oro. Okay. So, can you guide if I have an auto farmer? Yeah, I can understand auto farmer. So, can you guide if I have start identify good share? Okay, so you have already identified good shares. So he has named Ashok Leyland, TCS, Maruti, HUL Auto. So you have already done your work. So you already identified good share. So your journey is started then. Dinesh Kumar, thank you for what? Oh, thank you. Yes, and hi Saurav. Sir, you said that you are going to make a different group on Telegram for those interested in sharing. Yes, I said that. And after that, I have received so many emails. When I was not aware that so many people are getting benefited from the channel. So probably it will be tough to create a channel with more than 30-40 people, because if I create any channel for particularly you guys, then I should give you access also, right? Because you have to share some chart, whether you have to judge me whether I am properly, whether I am able to guide you or not. Third thing is that a dedicated time. So may not be, I may not be having that time to guide you all. So it is very tough to manage another Telegram group, and that is the reason, as you know, I guide only 10 folks, because for me I am not able to guide more than 10 or more than 12, 13 people. So for me, जिसको भी सिखाओ अच्छे से सिखाओ, क्योंकि 3 मास खत्म होने के बाद उसको ऐसा ना लगे कि यार क्या बेकार में मैंने टाइम वेस्ट किया। और मेरे को, मैंने जब ये ग्रुप स्टार्ट किया था, इट वाज माय ओनली इंटेंशन दैट देयर आर सम पीपल, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग द नेम, एज यू नो, एक दिन का वेबिनार देते हैं और दे आर चार्जिंग 49,000 excluding the GST, 49,000. There another person, he is giving webinar from home and nobody is getting benefited. I am getting those screenshot from those person who has attended. There he is asking just 50,000 rupees excluding GST, and I don't know, you people are sometime doing the rubbish thing. Actually, what is the problem you people are seeing now? You are actually interested to see the M2M. आप लोग एम टू एम देख के मानते हो कि उसके पास एक दिन का वेबिनार करूंगा तो हो जाएगा, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो, बिकॉज मेरे को 12 साल लगे, and उसके बाद आई रियलाइज, इफ यू वांट टू बी अ गुड ट्रेडर ना, फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट द प्रॉपर नॉलेज, दैट डेफिनेटली दैट द थिंग, एंड सेकंड थिंग इज दैट द गाइडेंस। बिकॉज अगर मैं आपको 10 बुक्स दे दूं, आप पढ़ लोगे, आपको पता चल जाएगा व्हाट टू डू, लेकिन आपको ये पता नहीं चलेगा कि व्हाट नॉट टू डू। और अगर आपका सेटअप आ भी जाए तो व्हेन यू हैव टू एग्जिट, वो आपको पता चलेगा थ्रू ईयर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस। अगर वो करोगे तो आपका टाइम आपको, मतलब एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 साल लगेगा। यू हैव टू सी द मार्केट लाइक कोरोना, और नहीं तो यू हैव टू हैव अ प्रॉपर गाइडेंस, और गाइडेंस मतलब फ्रॉम अ गुड पर्सन हु इज एक्चुअली डूइंग दोज थिंग्स। मतलब यू पीपल, आप लोग ये देख के चले जाते हो किसके पास एक आईफोन का फोन है, किसके कौन क्या बोलते हैं उसको, एसिक्स का टी शर्ट लगा रहा है, कौन पुमा का अगर ड्रेस पर है, कौन रैडो का एक वॉच लगा रहा है। आप ये सब देख के लगते हो कि ही इज अर्निंग अ लॉट। एक चीज हमेशा याद रखो, देखो, दिस इज नॉट माई होम, ओके, I am having my flat at Kolkata, and I will be moving on 26th of February, and this is, I do not bought at this time, I bought it 3-4 years back. So what problem you are seeing now, you people दिखावे पे चले जाते हो। आप अगर कभी प्रोफेसर बन भी जाओ, क्या आप अपने प्राइमरी स्कूल के टीचर को आप सर बोल के नहीं पुकारोगे? यू हैव टू, राइट? तो आप हमेशा इसको तो पहले बेसिक तो क्लियर करो यार। आप लोग डायरेक्ट चले जाते हो कि मेरा भी एक दिन में एम टू एम बन जाएगा। आप सही में बोलो तो, जितना लोग आपका, अगर कोई दोस्त भी ट्रेनिंग करके आए, उसका वो कैपिटल उठ के आया या नहीं? आप जब कॉलेज पढ़ाई किए हो, कॉलेज में भी तो आपका एक मेंटरिंग सेशन होता था फॉर लैब्स। आप लैब करते तभी जाकर तो आपको वो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज मिला। जॉब में अगर आप जाते हो तो कंपनी आपको 1 साल या फिर 3 महीने का ट्रेनिंग पीरियड देता है। यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी ट्रेनिंग, और आप लोगों को लगता है कि सब कुछ ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा। नहीं हो सकता भाई, दैट्स द रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट। महाभारत में चले जाओ, क्या हुआ था महाभारत में, कि इफ आप अगर गुरु दक्षिणा नहीं दोगे, योर नॉलेज ऑल्सो विल नॉट इन फेवर ऑफ यू। कर्ण का क्या हुआ था? ही हैज ऑल द नॉलेज, लेकिन काम में नहीं आया ना। you have to pay, either pay in terms of time, either pay in terms of your loss, or either you have to pay in terms both of you. Some people are just I am telling you the case of my father. He is in stock market for last 20-25 years, I am telling you. But his performance is same, बिकॉज ही ऑलवेज थिंक्स दैट फंडामेंटल में अगर नाम बड़े हैं तो ही काम बन जाएगा. हाँ, इससे होता है कि आपका पैसा डूबेगा नहीं, बट यू विल नेवर गेट दैट काइंड ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन मैन. यू हैव टू हैव अ प्रॉपर नॉलेज. आप मैथमेटिक्स का पीएचडी करके किसी को थोड़ी इंग्लिश पढ़ा पाओगे. इज इट पॉसिबल? नो ना. You have to have a proper knowledge, and maintaining a different telegram group will be a big problem for me, because I am getting emails from 40-50 people, so I am not able to do that. Sorry. Veena Ariharan, Tata Motors Oro Pharma LT. What is your view, ma'am? Means in which perspective you want to put your money, in terms of trading, or in terms of uh, long trade? Because in terms of Oro Pharma, I have cleared all the logic. As you know, even I am holding a good quantity in Oro Pharma at the level of 876. I have shared that screenshot over Telegram. So Oro Pharma good from a fundamental perspective. As you know, people are now afraid of this corona thing. So pharma का तो अभी गेम शुरू हुआ है, मतलब पिक्चर अभी शुरू हुआ है सिर्फ फार्मा का. अभी 1.5-2 साल चलेगा. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, just do this analysis as per the gun theory. After this session, go to Google, try to learn gun theory. As per the gun theory, the end of bear phase for this pharma company is done. So they are now into the stage 2 movement. So in a stock, there are always a fourth stage of movement. So first stage is over. We always work in the stage 2. Okay. So it is in the stage 2. As you know, in the last week, pharma is also coming into the picture. Sun Pharma, I have shared my screenshot. I have position at 526. Currently, it is 569. Auto Pharma 876. Now it is 9. It is actually getting resistance to stay above 900. So, but last week it has given a close over 902, I guess, or 899. So let us wait whether it is able to sustain over 900 level or not. If yes, then definitely I will add more. And Tata Motors, yes, I have great respect for Mr. N. Chandrasekhar. He has the excellent capability, and as per Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, N. Chandra has more finance knowledge than any CA. So he is a great man and a great visionary. So from that, Tata Motors is excellent. Price is less, and if you really want to do that, even you can buy Tata Motors DVR. So that is also a good option. So price is less, and you can get more quantity of share. So that's for the Tata Motors Oro Pharma LT. Yes, if you gone through my last live session, I told you that the realty sector is giving a great chance. So LT is definitely the leader of that stock, that area. So with a stop loss of 990, definitely you can proceed with LT. Biocon, Rahul Jain, any views on Biocon? Biocon, as per the company, excellent. I once upon a time I was traded this stock, but there is a problem in terms of chart of Biocon. It is very volatile. पिछले 4 महीनों में it is work, not 4, even 6 months. In 6 months it is working on 388 to 430. कभी कभी 455 जाता है, वहां से back to that. So इतना मेरे को unstable stock पसंद नहीं है. I love to be with the stable stock जहां पर मजा आए. Okay, so I love to be in that Sun Pharma, Oro Pharma. There are other names from the mid caps: Aarti Drugs, Lotus Labs, Newland Lab. So these are the excellent stock you can check. But Biocon I clearly avoid. But from not from a positional point of view also, I will not. I will certainly not. But from supply demand theory, if I will be able to get that around 390 to 410, then I will be able to buy that with a stop loss of 370. तो मेरा stop loss भी 30 रुपीज का रहेगा. ऊपर 450 या फिर हाई 456 भी जाता है तो good. But हाँ, there is a good thing is happening in Biocon is that Biocon Logistics, where they are actually working in the microbiology part. So whenever there will be a news that Biocon is planning to have the IPO of Biocon Logistics, then there will be a movement. क्योंकि न्यूज में तो आना चाहिए ना, तब जाके वो फ्लो बनेगा. देन आई विल डेफिनेटली लुक इनटू बायोकॉन. डाबर इज एक्सलेंट. अभी तो ठंड भी पड़ रहा है. मैं खुद डाबर हनी खाता हूँ, च्यवनप्राश खाता हूँ. तो people are able to consume their product, and Dabur is a very good company in terms of quality, but it is now actually doing the consolidation between 500 to 525 530 zone. So if you want to accumulate, then you can do that with a stop loss of 485. Rituraj Saxena, have you closed the LIC Housing Finance? No, not man. अभी तो पिक्चर शुरू हुआ है LIC Housing Finance का. अभी तो मेरे को पोजीशन बढ़ाना है इसमें. Should we hold? Yes, I am holding. I am holding. So my buying price was 296. Then I add at 324. Again, I add at 339. And last Thursday, I have given you a call at 340 breakout trade at 344. So I bought at 345. Then it went down to 341. So I am actually having a very good quantity in LIC Housing Finance, and definitely my stop loss is at my break even point, but I have a very good confidence. Excellent chart structure. The movement is there. Commentary is coming from Kotak Mahindra Bank, HDFC Bank, RBL Bank, and all those things. So yes, I am having a confidence in housing finance. And apart from that, definitely look into the some mid cap banks. I have already shared one name in my Telegram channel, and that is now more than 20% up. So small banks are giving very good chance to enter. So kindly have a look on those. Sayyid Lal, sir, HDFC Life level, please. Level means what is your perception? What is your time frame? And levels mean, and what is your capital? Because without these three questions, how can I give you the levels? Sayyid Lal, can you please clear the question? HDFC Life level, please. So, what is your perception? And what is your capital? Any positional target and time frame? I don't have any target, sir. क्योंकि अगर कोरोना अचानक से आ गया तब क्या होगा? टारगेट के लिए मैं बैठा रहूंगा और मेरा स्टॉक नीचे स्टॉप लॉस हिट कर देगा. आई ओनली नो ट्रेडिंग स्टॉप लॉस, दैट्स ऑल. टाइम फ्रेम का क्या है? अगर कोई मेरे को 4% दे रहा है, आई विल बी हैप्पी टू होल्ड दैट. क्या फर्क पड़ता है मेरे को? सी, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी गुड ट्रेडर, और इफ यू नॉट, आई एम नॉट अ गुड ट्रेडर. मैं तो मतलब आई एम द 0% ऑफ एवरी गुड ट्रेडर. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक योर सेल्फ ग्रीन, then there is three way where, sorry, there is three step where you need to work on. One, knowledge. Second, पेशेंस. थर्ड इज करेज. सो जब तक नॉलेज आपको होगा नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा नहीं. जब तक पेशेंस आपको आएगा नहीं, अच्छे स्टॉक से भी आप प्रॉफिट कमा नहीं पाओगे. जब तक इन दोनों का मिक्सचर होगा नहीं, तब तक आपका करेज आएगा नहीं. एंड दैट इज द आंसर ऑफ राहुल जैन. प्लीज टेल हाउ डू यू इंक्रीज योर पोजीशन. सो नॉलेज और पेशेंस, ये दोनों जब तक आएगा नहीं, तब तक आपके पास वो करेज आएगा भी नहीं. कि आपका क्या होगा, साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम मैं बताता हूँ. मान लो यू हैव बॉट LIC हाउसिंग फाइनेंस एज 300. जब वो 326 जाएगा और आपको दिखेगा कि ये ऊपर जाना, आप खरीदोगे नहीं. अरे यार, मेरे पास 300 में खरीदा हुआ है, 326 में क्यों लूं? ये तो नीचे पक्का आएगा, पक्का नीचे आएगा तब मैं लूंगा. एंड आप वो उम्मीद में बैठे रहोगे. फिर वो ऊपर 340 345 में, तब आपको लगेगा अरे यार, अब तो मैंने इतना बड़ा चीज मिस कर दिया, चलो मैं अब लेता हूँ. आप लोगे 345 पे, वहां से मार्केट यू टर्न मारेगा, आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट होगा, आप खत्म. दैट इज द रूल ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट. सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन नॉलेज, देन पेशेंस. पहले आप स्टॉक को होल्ड करना सीखो. विदाउट हैविंग द पेशेंस यू कैन नॉट बी अ पोजिशनल ट्रेडर दो. एंड थर्ड चीज इज दैट जब ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन बन जाएगा, यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज योर साइज. सो डोंट वरी ऑन दैट. So yes, I have given answer to Rahul Jain, Rituraj Saxena, Veena Ariharan. Thanks for the knowledge, sir. Just wanted to know your view. Yes, I have shared my view, right? Thank you very much. Anything else? हाउ टू डू पिरामिडिंग, ये करने के लिए तो मेरे को आपको चार्ट दिखाना पड़ेगा ना. हाउ आई कैन से यू, चार्ट दिखाना पड़ेगा. सेकेंड चीज है कि तो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम राहुल जैन. आई मींट हाउ टू डू पिरामिडिंग एंड इन ओपन पोजीशन. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट दैट माय स्ट्रेंथ इज दैट आई एम डूइंग द वर्क ऑन चार्ट. सो आपको वो चार्ट दिखाना पड़ेगा, कहाँ से कहाँ आपको पोजीशन बिल्डिंग करना है. सेकेंड थिंग है हाउ यू विल बी allocating the capital to them. And third thing is that how you will be managing your TSL. So all those things can be shared over chart, and that I can't do over YouTube. राहुल जैन, ऋतुराज सक्सेना, प्लीज हेल्प अस टू बिल्ड ट्रेडर. ये मैं कभी नहीं कर सकता. सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ऋतुराज सक्सेना, प्लीज हेल्प अस टू बिल्ड ट्रेडर साइकोलॉजी। ये मैं कभी नहीं कर सकता, इवन आप किसी के पास से ट्रेनिंग ले लो, विदाउट मेंटरिंग आपका ये नहीं होगा। यू हैव टू बिल्ड बाय योर ओन साइकोलॉजी। मतलब आप जब तक वो चीज फेस नहीं करोगे, आपका साइकोलॉजी कैसे बिल्ड होगा? कोई किसी का कैरेक्टर थोड़ी बिल्ड कर सकता है। एक टीचर क्या करता है, आप एक टीचर को देखते हो, अगर एक टीचर अच्छे से आपको पढ़ाता है, देन हम लोग का आता है कि आई वांट टू बी अ टीचर इन लाइफ। अगर कोई डॉक्टर को आप देखते हो, आपको ये लगता है आई वांट टू बी अ डॉक्टर। अब मान लो कोई एक ऐसा डॉक्टर है जो आपको सिर्फ दवाई देता है, लेकिन आपका तबीयत ठीक नहीं होता, आप कभी बोलोगे कि मैं आई वांट टू बी अ डॉक्टर लाइक हिम? नेवर। सो दैट साइकोलॉजी पार्ट विल बी कमिंग फ्रॉम योर ओन, फ्रॉम योर इनसाइड। Nobody will build your psychology. I can build, or no, every trader can give you the logic, give you the setup, give you the process, but psychology you have to build by your own. That cannot be learned. Yeah, sorry, that cannot be taught. You have to learn by yourself. Sir, Dhiran Singh, sir, are you going to share new group link or existing group will remain? No, I will not be going to create any new group. I am just going to provide only buy sell calls from Monday. So no group. Now I have changed my mind. I think in this current world there is no value of charity. So that is the hard truth, but I have realized. And the thing is very simple. I don't have the greed to earn money from training. So I don't have issue whether people are in Telegram channel or not. When and I am giving you the right fact, in my Telegram, only first four people are known to me. Rest all of them are coming from the God grace, and I never did any kind of advertisement over Twitter. But when it was went by up to 100, sometime I shared in Twitter, sometime I very few I asked you people that if you are getting benefited, please share with your group. So मैं भी तो इंसान हूं ना, कभी कभी ग्रीड आ ही जाता है, बट नाउ आई हैव रियलाइज कि खुद का ट्रेडिंग आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी विद दैट, सो आई डोंट हैव दैट ग्रीड टू अर्न मनी फ्रॉम यू ऑल. Only buy sell calls, so no separate group, no dedicated time to them, because I have also my time, right? Why I should give my time, why I should give my effort to you all at free of cost? Why, when all the people are doing the same thing? And I am amazed that people are just giving buy sell calls, and they are giving the webinar for only one day and earning a huge money. Okay, so please be there. They are much good trader than me. I am just 0% of all of them. So there is no separate group, nothing. Only 10 person whom I will be giving training and mentoring for 3 months. That's all. And going forward in Telegram, only buy sell call. Oh. Okay, anything more? Yeah, Dhirendra, thank you. Thank you. और एक चीज भी क्या है ना धीरेन्द्र, आई एम टेलिंग यू, दैट इज द रियल थिंग आई हैव रियलाइज्ड, कि cheap thing is getting always neglected. आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये जो मैं फ्री में बोलता हूँ ना, इसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. And that is the hard truth I have realized. And I have received many emails from many folks. They are just saying the very bad words, and it's really discouraging me. So from all of this experience, I have changed my mind. Ritura Saxena, I am following your channel from day one and still actively following. Don't create multiple channels. Yeah, follow the path which you started. No, this is not right. Yeah, Amanvish, I was just waiting for you. You joined today late. Yeah, people will join like me and will stand with you always. Yeah, thank you, Rituras. Thank you very much. Thank you. Definitely, that is the reason I have started the YouTube channel. I will share the very littlest knowledge what I have every day, because I have a lot of other work, right? What we get from Mr. Elon Musk, work like hell. Now we are having the very less age, right? And if you want to secure your future, you have to work really hard, really hard. I am telling you every day. I am waking up at 5 a.m. morning, then going to playing football, and just sleeping at the night or at 10:30 every day. It is my routine, 7 days a week, every day. Now I am busy with the mentoring session, new things I am mentoring, preparing the charts for all of them. So all those things you have to work hard, man. There is no shortcut. If you are thinking that following my channel, following XYZ channel, following someone idea, you will never make money. Just ask one question. In TV, in the business channel, there are a lot of analysts. If only analysis is sufficient, is it not possible that all the people will make money just by following those analysts? Is it the reality? No. Now coming to the next picture, whomever is a great trader, Mr. Mitesh Patel, in our generation, just 6 or 7 months back, he was sharing his ideas over Twitter, over his Telegram channel. Now he is busy with his own capital, so he is not having the time to share his knowledge. He is having another group where he is sharing his knowledge. One, Mr. Rakesh Junjunwala. कभी आप सुना है Rakesh Junjunwala came and shared that I am trading that one or I am having position on that? No. कोई भी स्टॉक स्टेट बैंक क्यों नहीं बढ़ता? क्योंकि all people are having state bank. The people who are having the age of like my dad, all of these people having state bank, but nobody has done the HDFC bank. क्योंकि सबके पास अगर स्टेट बैंक है, who is the buyer? How the value will be rising? So you have to ask this question. आपका पैसा तभी बनेगा जब आप सीखोगे. कभी ऐसा होता है कि मैं नौकरी करूंगा और आपको सैलरी मिलेगा? नहीं हो सकता. क्या आपके ऑफिस में आप ऐसा करोगे कि आप मेहनत करोगे और आप बोलोगे आपका जो जूनियर है, नहीं उसको तुम ज्यादा रेटिंग दो, मेरे को कम दो, मेरे को जो पैसा मिलता है उससे तो घर चल जाता है, मैं आई डोंट वांट एनी हाइक? करोगे आप? नहीं करोगे ना. सो द सेम थिंग आई हैव रियलाइज्ड. Whenever I am doing this talk, don't do any charity. I will do charity in the month of August. I am telling you, it's my daughter birth month, so I will give all the logic. I will give all the things, even my mentoring and all those things. I will make it free, absolutely free of cost. But apart from that, nothing, because I have burned my electricity. I have burned my knowledge. All those things I am giving. What I am getting? Nothing. And instead of that, I am getting the words from the people that you are fake. You are kindly share your profit and loss statement. भाई उसके लिए मेरा income tax department है. If I am just not, and let's say I am just trading with only one stock. Let's assume that. And still, if you are buying only one stock, you are making money. Na? You are not wasting your time. If you are thinking that, yes, this is a waste of time in my channel, don't be there. Rahul, please don't pay attention to negativity. People will try to bring you down. No, Rahul, it's not bring you down. It's the reality they have shown me. So Dhirendra Singh, just to add, previously I did try trading 2 times and lost my hard-earned money. But after joining your channel, my account is green and thanks to you. That's why requesting you. Even I have shared my account statement, right? For this year, I am telling you, out of 140 trading session, my lost day was 10. My lost day was 10, and 130 days I was in green. So that is a process, nothing like that. That is a process what I follow. So it is able to give me the green status. That's all. देर इज नो रॉकेट साइंस. आई एम टेलिंग यू, वो लाइफ में वही होता है ना. क्लास 4-5 का जो मैथमेटिक्स है वही सब्जी मंडी में काम आता है. थोड़ी आपका कैलकुलस, पिथागोरस थ्योरम ये सब काम आता है? नहीं आता है ना. सेम थिंग इन टेक्निकल. वो क्या बोलते हैं, नियो वेव, एलियट वेव, 3 लाइन ब्रेक चार्ट, XYZ चार्ट, दिस फॉर्मेशन, दैट फॉर्मेशन, डोंट वर्क. सिंपल प्राइस एक्शन फॉलो करो. आप फॉलो करो किसी को भी, मिस्टर राकेश झुंझुनवाला, मिस्टर मितेश पटेल, मिस्टर मनु भाटिया, ऑल ऑफ देम आर सेइंग 2 थिंग्स रिपीटेडली. wait for your setup wait for your setup and try to learn the price action, what it is trying to do. That's all. It will give you the money. Don't go the hard way. Make it simple. Dhirendra, thank you for this lovely notes. Thank you very much. Just to highlighting to you all, Dhirendra Singh has written, just to add, previously I did try trading 2 times and lost my hard-earned money. But after joining your channel, my account is green and thanks to you. That's why requesting you to share the logic as well. Rituraj Saxena, just a suggestion, may be paid. Tutor are doing it, include something new like ADX or price action or price volume, etc. will work. No, I will not try to add that, because I know my setup and it is giving me the return. Okay, because now going to try something new, so that is the biggest problem retailers is doing. They are trying to trade the market by using the indicators. Always remember, indicator is the derivative of price and price action. If you ever look at my chart, I never use RSI. I only use volume and price, and I am extremely happy with that. So I will not try to learn ADX. I will try to learn the new ways based on the price action that will give me an opportunity to earn money either from option buying or scalping. As you know, currently I am learning scalping. So scalping is a great thing. I did with the LT option buy with one lot only, so it's give me a very good return within just 10 minutes. So I am trying to learn that thing. I will not look into that ADX or MACD or indicator. If you are able to suggest me in terms of price action. मेरे को वो ज्यादा पसंद है. अमनवीस पाल, क्यों नहीं है ये सब, समझ में नहीं आया. केवल दिमाग खराब करते हैं सारे इंडिकेटर, केवल भाव भगवान है. गुड गुड. Yeah, thanks Rituraj, because I am happy with price action and price volume. अमन बिस्पाल, भाव भगवान है सर जी. हाँ, ये तो मैं भी मानता हूँ. गुजराती में कहावत है ना, भाव भाव भगवान छे. एकदम सही है. भाव आपको पढ़ने में आ गया तो एक्सीलेंट. दैट्स ऑल. Yeah, so I think now it's 7:55. It's time for me also to wrap up this call. Thank you very much. This time many people has joined. Thank you very much. And from that perspective, from my goal, the next year my goal is that I will be sharing the live trades over Telegram, and I am opening an account in Zerodha with 2 lakh of capital, and my target is to be with 100% target. Let's see, based on the positional trade and option selling, how much I will be able to reach. So next year goal is to achieve 100% return. Let's see. Till the time being, it was my expectation to have 4% in a month, but this time I will be building my patience. So I will be trying to achieve 100%. So I will be sharing that initial amount on January 1st, and let's see on 31st of December 2021 how much I can achieve. So that's all from my side. So thank you very much everyone for allocating your time to me, and thank you for being with my channel. And thank you. If you have anything, if you have anything want to say or your feedback, you can drop me email. I will definitely reply back to you. And from no, I have some other work, Aman Bish, or kitna baat kare. And apart from the training perspective, again people did a wrong thing. Initially all 10 seats were booked. Now some people are saying that some issue is there. I never charged any booking fees or anything. I always ask people that before the just 10 days before the training you have to send the amount. But here also I am getting the wrong things from the people. If you are not doing, just say wrong, because of you people I said no to many other needed people. So a lot of things are giving me the learnings that when your Telegram channel is growing in terms of people, you have to be ready with some new behavior from the human, because there are many human being and you will be getting this kind of situations. So I am also getting those. That is the reason I am sharing again the advertisement over Telegram, that if 2 seats are left, 1 seats are left. So okay, it is actually giving me the new lessons, so I will work based on this also. So thank you very much again. Thank you, and wish you all a very happy weekend. Thank you.